यस सर। यस सर।
तुम दिख रहे हो हमको? हेलो
यस
हेलो,
सर, हम दिख रहे हैं सर।
ठीक है तो हम लोग हेलो।
यस सर।
हेलो अमित,
यस सर, आवाज आ रहा है सर।
आवाज फिगर भी आ रहा है?
यस सर, फिगर भी आ रहा है सर।
ऐसा करते हैं तुरंत। हाँ ठीक है, हेलो,
यस सर।
लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ। हेलो अमित,
यस सर।
रिकॉर्डिंग पे कर दिए हो क्या इसको?
यस
हेलो,
सर। यस सर, कर दिए हैं।
तो नाउ we are going to start a new chapter, new topic of this chapter, which is prion. And just I
यस
have just I want to define it that prions are the smallest infectious proteinaceous particle, which are capable of causing infection in the animals and human beings. And the prions were for the first time discovered by Alper et al. In 1966, and Alper and his colleagues were investigating a particular disease found in goat and sheep, and the causal organism were came to be a very small proteinaceous particle, and such a small proteinaceous infectious particle were came to be known as prion. And the term prion was coined by Prusner, and this prion consists of only of the protein particles, very small particles which molecular weight is very small, which ranges from 27,000 Dalton to
सर।
30,000 Dalton, and
यस सर।
this prion consists of this prion consists of a protein particle which, if undergoes folding in the host cell, this folding of protein causes harm to the human beings and animal. Till if the folding does not take place in the in this protein, if this protein remains harmless. As soon as this prion protein undergoes folding in the nervous cell, it starts to cause problem, and
यस
the prions causes neurodegenerative diseases in the human beings and animal. And scrapie is also a neurodegenerative disorder, and these prions are heterogeneous in the size, and they have different molecular forms, uh, and the when a number of prions remain together, aggregate together, they form a composite structure, and that composite structure is known as prion rods. And
यस
these prion rods, and these prion rods may be consisting of a number of small may be consisting of two or three sub proteins. The prions are without any nucleic acids. The prions do not have any nucleic acid like virus and virusoids and viroids, because virus have both protein and nucleic acid. Viroids have only nucleic acid RNA, and virusoids have a nucleic acid of their own, and the protein obtained from the host particle. And this prion, on the other hand, the prion differ from all these three viruses, viroids, and prions, virusoid, in the sense that the prions consist only of protein, and
यस
the various type of various types of diseases which the prion cause include multiple sclerosis, Parkinson, and senile dementia, CZ disease, and a number of neurodegenerative disorders. As far the replication of this prion is concerned, this prion can replicate or multiply itself when they are present in the host cell, but the mechanism of replication of this prion is still not. But some hypotheses have been given to explain the mechanism, and according to one hypothesis, there is a gene on the host cell which is known as PRP gene, and this gene encodes some protein which acts as the promoter of PRP gene, and this PRP gene is expressed to produce the PRP protein, and in this way the PRP protein multiplies in the host cell. But the detailed mechanism of this replication of mechanism of prions inside the host cell is still to be discovered, but they multiply. As you know that a simple protein has no capacity to multiply itself in the host, but this prion protein has capacity to replicate itself or multiply itself, as you know.
Yes.
And this PRP, the term PRP has the word PRP has been coined by has originated from two words, proteinaceous and infection. The first two alphabet of prions, PR, has been derived from proteinaceous, and the three alphabet ION has been derived from the last infection, and this constituted the term prions. And you know that this prions, the word prion is also abbreviated as PRP. Prions are also simply referred to as PRP. So in this way, prions are quite different from virus and viruses. Prions are 100 times smaller, 100 and 200 times smaller than the smallest virus, and this prion has a very unique structure of consisting of only protein, and this protein has the capacity to undergo folding, and the folded form of this protein can cause disease, and if the protein is not folded, it does not cause any disease. Am I clear to Amit, Ranjan?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, let us stop it.
Yes.
और इसको